Hello, welcome back to another silicone mold making video. This is basically that. No, that's a lie. I have two more blanks on the way to make. But we're going to be making some more silicone molds. Again, the silicone is from Amazon. The container that I'm using is from Amazon as well. And the blank that I'm going to be making a mold of is from Etsy's. It's used, so the seller was just selling it, I guess, because they don't want it anymore. And yeah, so this cup that I'm using, obviously it has numbers on it, so I'm just filling up part A to 11. You can see right there, part B to 11 as well. The silicone is 1-to-1 ratio, so the same amount on both. Same amount for part A, the same amount for part B. If it's not equal, it will not mix correctly and the silicone will not dry, and you just be wasting and just be making a mess. So yeah, 1-to-1 ratio. So after I poured it out in a separate container, I'm just going to mix part A and part B up in a bigger container. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just pouring part A, and I'm guessing this is part B. Got a little piece of some resin that fell in there. Just pop that out. Scooping everything out. And I'm just going to be mix it real good. Since it's clear, you can really tell like when it's actually mixed, so you're good to go. So I'm just eyeing it. It's like, oh, okay, you know, and just mix it some more. Just like how I would mix resin. You mix. I was like, alright, it should be good. I just kept on mixing it. Okay, so this is the blank that I got from Etsy's. And this is my silicone in one container. And the pigment that I'm going to be using, which I got from Amazon. So I'm just going to be popping it in there. Just a little bit. And also I decided to add in there some glitter. This glitter I got from Family Dollar. That's going to be mixing up everything together. And this looks amazing. So gorgeous. Mixing. Look at it. The color, the glitter, everything just looks so beautiful. So I'm just going to be popping it into the blank. So I'm pouring it high up to avoid any bubbles. And gorgeous. This really doesn't take a lot of silicone, and just like that, it's good to go. It was very uneven, so I had to put something underneath it just to even it out. And then I got some silicone that was running over to the side. I was like, let me just take some out. I really wasn't scooping up anything, but I thought I was doing something. I just making those squiggly lines. So gorgeous. It still was seeping all the way to one side, so I added a stick underneath it just to give it an extra lift, and that's how it is. This silicone takes 4 to 6 hours for it to dry, but me personally, I just left it overnight. But you can definitely see that it was dried. It really doesn't take much to dry. It's quick and easy. I like this silicone because you really don't get a lot of bubbles even though you be mixing it up, which is perfect. So that's good. So it's in the morning, and now it's time now to just pop it out. I didn't know how to get it out at first, but the silicone that ran over to the side, you just pull on it, and then you can see what I'm doing right here. Just pull, and try not to rip the mold because that would just be a mess. What's happening? Why am I not doing anything? Perfect. Just pull it, push it up, and voila. Gorgeous. Look at the color. so cute. I'm not showing you guys the blank again. This is how it looks. It looks so good. I'm obsessed with it. Just giving you guys a closer look. You can definitely see that some silicone went over at the edges, so I'm going to show you guys how I clean up the edges. This trimmer right here I got from Etsy's. I ordered a blank. I don't think it was this blank. I think it was a different blank. I basically ordered a blank from Etsy's, and I got this as a free gift, so yeah, just going to be using it to clean up the edges. It's better to use this or some scissors or whatever you have instead of pulling it, because if you do pull on it and you do rip the mold, then the mold can become useless. Depends on how hard you ripped it. And voila, we are finished. It looks so much better, so much neater and cleaner. Gorgeous. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the sun. That's how it looks. So pretty. Oh my god. I just have an idea. Would you be so cool to make one that actually glows in the dark? That would be awesome. Yeah, definitely gonna have to try that. Buy some glow in the dark pigments, because I don't think I have any. Well, I'm rambling. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.